In a significant shift in military procurement strategy, the United Arab Emirates has suspended talks regarding a multi-billion-dollar deal for F-35 Joint Strike Fighters. The proposed acquisition involved 50 state-of-the-art F-35 jets, advanced drones, and an array of munitions promising to bolster the UAE's defense capabilities. However, this ambitious plan has been put on hold, reflecting ongoing concerns about stringent U.S. restrictions designed to protect against potential Chinese espionage. The UAE, which has long expressed interest in acquiring the F-35 for its advanced stealth technology and operational capabilities, announced the suspension in December 2021. This aircraft would have marked a milestone for the UAE, making it only the second nation in the region, after Israel, to operate these sophisticated fighter jets. In a recent statement, a senior official from the UAE has reaffirmed the nation's stance on the highly anticipated F-35 fighter jet negotiations. The official declared, "Our position remains unchanged, and we do not anticipate discussions regarding the F-35 being reopened for the foreseeable future." The official cited ongoing technical requirements, sovereign operational restrictions, and cost-benefit analyses as key factors in the decision to pause negotiations. While there is speculation about a potential revival of talks, should Donald Trump win a second term as president, the UAE has made it clear that the same challenges that halted discussions in 2021 persist today. The F-35, known for its cutting-edge sensor suite and advanced electronic warfare capabilities, evolved from the Lockheed Martin X-35, which won the Joint Strike Fighter program in 2001, besting the Boeing X-32. As of now, the U.S. remains the primary customer and financial backer of the F-35 program, with additional contributions from allied nations, including the UK, Italy, the Netherlands, Canada, Turkey, Australia, Norway, and Denmark, collectively pledging over $4.375 billion towards its development. The future of the UAE's aspirations for F-35 acquisition remains uncertain, contingent on both regional security dynamics and U.S. political developments. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about F-35 fighter deal in the comments section.